If you look at my coil, you can see that it's set at around the 5 o'clock position. If this is a clock, 12, 3, 6, 9, at around 5 o'clock. The reason for that is because if it's too far open, like this, someone could shake the machine and sometimes get a free vape. So the 5 o'clock's kind of the sweet spot. And to change that position, you can take the spring on the back, push it in, and rotate the coil. When you rotate the coil, it should click back in place. See how it won't move? If it's not clicked, it'll continue to rotate. Now it's locked in. Now you load your vapes. So the takeaway, you want your coils at around the 5 o'clock position. If you have a thin product, like a nicotine pouch or a Power Mint or a Breeze vape, they work best in 35 millimeter coils. And if you're installing nicotine pouches because they're so short, buy our nicotine pouch lifters to give it that extra elevation. So when you're playing with your machine, and I like to use the word play just like you did with the software, play with these coils. Click them on, click them off. Put your hand in the back, feel the springs, a couple lifters on if you bought them, change different coils. And when you load all your products, make sure it matches the screen. Make sure all the coils are on. See how when I pull this, it doesn't go anywhere? Sometimes in shipping, they can come loose. So make sure all the coils are on. Make sure all the coils are at around the 5 o'clock position. Even 6 o'clock is fine. Just try to keep them closed.